Beautiful weather outside today.
Yeah, today we got some rough weather, a couple of rounds of it Saturday,
Right.
then Saturday night. Yesterday was nice, but today beautiful.
Gorgeous.
And that's going to hang around for another couple of days before we'll start to feel the Gulf moisture coming back. And another chance of rain as we head into the weekend. We'll talk about that rain chance in just a moment. But right now it has been beautiful all day today. A lot of sunshine. We started out the day pretty chilly and warming now into the 70s. 74 degrees our current temperature. This is actually the high for the day. Dew points, the humidity, very low. Dew points dropped into the 30s and humidity right now at 26%, a very dry air mass, which does make it feel so much nicer. We are going to see a lot of sunshine as we start the day tomorrow, but a little disturbance off to our west will start bringing in probably some mid and high level cloudiness at some point during the day tomorrow. Now, when our climate data came out, the high was 73. Again, our current temperature of 74 is the high, but our morning low, 54 degrees, we're running well below average. We had low 40s on the North Shore and even some upper 30s in Macomb. Now, we're not going to be quite that cold tomorrow morning, but still that chill will be around, starting out in the 40s on both the North and South Shore, but south of the lake it would be away from the metro area. So Belle Chase, Raceland, even some locations down the bayou could see some upper 40s as we get the day started tomorrow. Generally have been in the mid 70s all day today. That made it feel so much nicer with the temperatures running below the average, but I think key to the good feel air is this, those low dew point values in the 30s and low 40s. This is that good feel air, which is going to hang around into the day tomorrow. Now, steadily the dew points will be on the rise, especially by tomorrow as we will begin to see more of a southerly wind. So humidity slowly coming up, and I think we'll even stick with the more comfortable air into Wednesday. The muggy feel will be back by Thursday and Friday. Winds light but still out of the north. Kind of light winds overnight tonight with high pressure basically sitting right on top of us. That will start to change as we head into tomorrow and through the rest of the week. As I said, there is a little disturbance bringing in some scattered showers across parts of west central Texas. All this little feature is going to do as it moves in our direction. Remember how dry the air is. A lot of that is going to dissipate, and really what we're expecting probably by the second half of the day tomorrow would be some mid and high level cloudiness, and actually should make for kind of a pretty sunset. Then a lot of sunshine as we head into the day on Wednesday, but we will start to bring back a southeasterly wind, so increasing moisture, and we'll probably start to see a little low cloudiness popping up as well. So we'll gradually start to see our weather shifting to more of the muggy air, but at the moment very dry air across all of the southeast with that high sitting right on top of us. Now, as the high shifts toward the east coast, our winds become southeasterly. We hang on to that drier air for Wednesday, but throughout the day Wednesday and certainly into Thursday and Friday, the green color, the more humid air starts to surge back in. But it'll last for a couple of days before another cold front moves on through at some point, probably for the first half of the day on Saturday, then bringing with it some very dry air as we head into Saturday night, Sunday, and early next week. Let's take a closer look at that cold front. Here is the rough timing as of right now based on the GFS. Friday night, the front is still well off to our west. We don't see the front really arrive until probably early on Saturday morning. Now, Saturday before daybreak may have some scattered showers with more thunderstorm activity for the first half of the day on Saturday. It may be starting to wrap up by the noon, 1, 2 o'clock hour. Again, this is still 5 days out. The timing is still being worked out, but it certainly looks as though by the second half of the day Saturday, the front will be through. We'll likely start to see most of our rainfall tapering off and colder, or at least cooler, drier air moving in behind it. So kind of a shift in the weather during the day on Saturday. Next couple of days, we'll gradually see our temperatures and humidity coming up, but still pleasant. A little more of a muggy feel Thursday. I'm bringing in a 30% chance. That may be a little too much for our rain chances on Friday, but I think with that southerly wind and the front off to our west, we'll probably see at least a few showers. The better chance of rain will be in the morning, midday, and then drier in the evening with temperatures dropping and then kind of bringing back that cool feel as we head towards Sunday.